So this is a Fufu Nikko, a brand new hotel slash ryokan in the Nikko area in Tochigi Prefecture of Japan. Room 306. It's a luxury premium suite. I believe there's about 28 total rooms in this property, and this is one of the two luxury premium suites. The top room category measures 140 square meters. So let's go in and take a look. You enter here. And there's a hallway immediately to the right. Is the toilet. Of course, there's a washlet, electronic heater in the Toto style. Back, we swing around. The end of the hallway, there's a long sprawling balcony, but we'll take a look at that in a bit. If you turn left, this is the bedroom. There is a large flat screen TV hidden behind here to give this ryokan a sense of place, so as not to be obtrusive. And we'll swing back around. So it looks like from this vantage point. So there's a little balcony area here from the bedroom that you can step out and enjoy the tranquil nature ahead. So let's keep going this way. This is where we came from. Entrance. You can see over here, this is the full-length balcony. We'll take a look in a second. Come in here, and here is the living room. Nice little touches everywhere. Very modern. Fufu Nikko just opened in October of last year, 2020. So it's not even a year old. So they had really a chance to think about having a modern and comfortable ryokan, but also giving it a sense of place. So they call it wa modern, so Japanese style, but new and fresh and innovative. So behind here, as is the case with the bedroom, there's a flat screen TV hidden behind. Just swing it open. We'll swing it closed. It's more pretty that way. I don't know if this is a real one or replica, but you can see there's a Magnavox player. Some really nice artwork. A little desk here. A little closet with some dressers. Fufu, unlike many Japanese ryokans, although they're not the only one, but they have what's called a samue, which are a little more like pajamas compared to like the kimono style yukatas that a lot of ryokans offer. they tend to be easier to wear, more straightforward, and arguably more comfortable, but less stylish. So you can wear it around the property and do what you'd like. So here is the balcony. And you got the privacy of a forest up ahead. Actually, this over here is a fireplace that they'll fire up whenever you want. So anyway, so this is the living room. So again, 28 total rooms. The luxury premium suite, there's 2 of them. So if you want it, book early. And then the bath area. So dual sinks, dual vanity. The really nice thing, and we'll go out and take a look over there, but there's an outdoor onsen, open air bath. Onsen means stands for natural hot springs. So here, shower for him and her, or him and him, or her and her. And then there's an indoor onsen bath, but you can also swing the windows open, as it is now, slightly ajar. But the cool thing is out here, is the onsen bath. You can really smell the hinoki wood. It smells awesome. So we were just told by the room attendant that they dig 1,500 meters, which is a kilometer and a half or almost 1 mile, to get the really high quality onsen water, or onsen hot spring water. It's supposed to be good for your skin, for just healing in general, arthritis, you name it, and just relaxing and lowering your heart rate. So anyways, this is Fufu Nikko, brand new property. Fufu is a brand new luxury kind of hybrid hotel Ryokan chain. And they have about 5 or 6 properties, either open or planned to open. We stayed at the Kawaguchiko one, near Lake Kawaguchi, where there's stunning views of Mount Fuji, but I would argue that the room itself, this is more spacious and nicer. But of course, you know, they've had time to kind of think about what's important. And this is comparing the 2 top category rooms of each property. Anyway, so this is it. Fufu Nikko, Tochigi Prefecture in Japan. Luxury premium suite. The exact room number here is 306. Hope you enjoyed it.